My advice for anybody that's starting out meditating is start small. Start with 5-10 minutes and build up. 2, be patient with yourself. Even marathon runners, they have good days and bad days. So I think you have to go into meditation knowing that. There's gonna be certain days where you sit down and the 10 minutes just go like that and you are able to really observe your thoughts and let them go. And then other days, it's gonna be a hot mess. And you're gonna walk away and be like, that was a disaster. But you know what? You learned something from those disastrous moments as well. And my last piece of advice is there's tons of apps out there that can help you. And it gives you a little bit more structure within those 10 minutes. And I find that very helpful when you're first getting started. Like anything else, to have a little bit of guidance or have a coach at the beginning is nice. It's never a waste of time to sit down, close your eyes and breathe.